show you this little gadget. This is useful and handy. This is a mini keyboard and it's wireless. It comes with this stick. Oh, really, I like it. It's got like rechargeable lithium battery, and it's really useful device. You use it for your laptop, your smart TV and things like that, or your console games, things like that. I'm going to show you now some of its features. So this is a lovely keyboard. You know, I like it. It's really light, not heavy. It's lighter than a mobile phone, and you can put it in your pocket. And some of its features now, you've got it's got like touchpad. It's got you can recharge the battery. You know, you can recharge it whether from the adapter, or from your laptop side here. And it's got on and off, and if you can see here, it's got a light. You know, you can choose if you want green or red or blue, and it's got RGB light as well. Now let's go ahead and do some test out. So guys, as you can see, first thing we need to do to start using this keyboard is plug in the stick, the Bluetooth stick, to your laptop, and you don't need to do anything after that. Once you plug this stick, that's it, your keyboard start working with your device. So first thing I need to do is just switch it on like this. As you can see, now it's on. As you can see here, this touchpad, you know, using the two, you can see the mouse moving, and I'm gonna try and put any address there, but like YouTube, and press enter, and that's YouTube now. Enter, searching, it's slow. My internet is slow because I'm quite a while from my Wi-Fi router, because I'm in the shed. So now if I want to scroll down, up or down, just two fingers like that, like this. So as you can see, as I said, you can use it with your laptop, with your Android smart TV, with a lot of things like Xbox and that, anything like that. So, and one of the other good features as well, you know, now you can the backlight, you know, you can choose any color you want, you know, by pressing the function button here and F2, see, like that, and change it. Press the function button and F2 again, do the same thing. So you get green, you get blue, and you get red. And another thing, you get like to show you this, if you press F2 like this and you scroll like that, you can see the color, some more colors. Sorry, some more colors like that. that's the Air RGB playing now, you know. And see some lovely colors only by pressing the function button and going like that as well. You know, you can choose many different colors, and when you press F2 and you scroll it, you slide, you know, like your finger from left to right. This is what you can get. This is manual, and when you do F2 and scroll it like this, it'll play automatically. It gives you more colors. It's the RGB. See, it's really nice device. Guys, I hope you had a good idea about this device. It's really, as I said, you know, it's really a good device. You know, it saves you from like using a remote for your smart TV, you know, because it's too slow. And with this device, you can stay in bed and use it like that. Basically, you can get lazy and stay in bed, you know, and use it from your bed. And also it works, you know, like the range is 10 meters, which is good. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know about your review in the comments below, and please don't forget to subscribe and share, like. It will support my channel so I can continue to supply more videos, deliver more ideas and more knowledge. So till my next video, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.